Hey everybody, it's Nate here. Today we're doing an unboxing of a bulk liquidation box that has uninspected returns in it. Hopefully to make a little bit of money off of it. With these you can see the manifest before you even do anything, so I made sure to at least look at the manifest and make sure that it was stuff I should be able to profit off of, whether it's on Amazon or eBay. Most of the stuff, as long as it wasn't returned broken or with other items or missing certain things, we should be able to make a decent amount of money on it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, we got the box here with all of its contents, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alrighty, so now we got that taken care of. Let's go ahead and get into it. So to start off, I believe these are just like little placemats. Nothing too special, honestly. It does look like they are a little damaged. Nothing too bad though. Just a little bit of wear and tear. So they are not on eBay nor Amazon. In that case, we can probably get away selling these on like Mercari or something, maybe Facebook Marketplace. Next up, let's go the next lamest thing. Got some slim grip hangers. Everybody's looking for those slim grip hangers today. Nothing on eBay, nothing on Amazon. Alrighty then. Those are the least two exciting things, I think, in this box, so that's fine. Some more hangers, same exact ones, so just another, we'll find a place to sell them, but it's not going to be the best thing. So we got some Rubbermaid Tupperware. Doesn't have the UPC on it. I'll check back after the fact, and I'll go and look at the manifest, and we'll look up how much these are worth. Now on to the more exciting stuff. I don't remember seeing this on the manifest. This is basically worthless. You can see the amount of damage on the mirror itself. So this one, probably won't get anything for this. Just give it away. Hello, Nate here, interrupting you from your regularly scheduled program. So in fact, that little kid's toy that I thought was extremely screwed up was not. My stupid ass didn't realize that there was a protective piece of film over it to help protect it against scratches. So it does look like it's alright. It's going to be worth a little bit of money. Maybe like 10 bucks. Woo! So this, I believe, is a... What is this? I thought it was a cake dome. Needs to be cleaned, but other than that, it's in pretty good condition. But I think this is just like a display thing for cakes. Unless there's a dome that goes with it, which there might be. But I don't see anything in here that would indicate that is so. That's interesting. No, I must... What the... I think this is supposed to be the cake dome that I saw in there. But as you can see, there's not much of a dome. So again, we'll look up this one here in the near future. And... I'll give exactly what I think it can be worth, but I'm guessing not much if it doesn't have the top part. So that's great. Here's one of the main reasons I bought this, because it comes with this nice pan here. Circulon Symmetry. I don't remember seeing this brand though. Alright. Now I believe this sells on Amazon pretty well. So we'll go ahead and look her up real quick. It is on Amazon, and I can't list it in new, but I can list it in other categories, and it sells for about 70 bucks. There's our biggest winner so far, our only thing that I know the value of. Now we've got some plates, a whole case of them. Just looks like purple plates. Pretty basic. If I remember correctly, there's 10 of these. They are listed on Amazon, but no one is selling them. They don't have a sales rank either, which means they probably won't sell. But there is also no other sellers, which means I can kind of list them however the fuck I want. And they do have these listed on eBay as well. One of them sold for $21.95, and I believe that's just for one plate. So we might be able to get some pretty good money off these. I think if I list them for about 15 bucks, shipping at $3, maybe we profit around 10 a piece, and give or take. It'll be pretty good. If there's 7 plates in here, like the case says, that's 70 bucks. Here's the next thing that intrigued me enough to buy this. Don't know how I feel about it now that I see the box. Oh god. It's one of those salt crystals. Didn't realize how fucking heavy these were. Jeez. It is open. So let's go ahead and clear out the box real quick, and then we'll take a look at that out of the box. There's only one more thing in here anyway. Alrighty. So I got this here. Looks to be in fine condition. We'll have to test this later. Make sure it works. But it does look like everything is included. Hopefully. I believe these are both listed on Amazon and on eBay for around 30 bucks. Which shipping is going to be a bitch on these. Last but not least. Or maybe least. I have no idea. I don't remember seeing these on the manifest. So it's just little lanterns. Oh, they're Christmas themed. It's kind of neat. This will probably be like a Mercari sort of thing, I would guess. Maybe Etsy, right? I don't know. I don't really use other stuff very often. It looks like it's an entire case of them though. And they've got these as well with the snowman. Let's go ahead and look them up. Nothing on eBay. Might be a little too late to sell these though. Yeah, nothing on Amazon either. So this would be something for like Facebook Marketplace. Maybe get rid of all of them. Try to sell them in lots or groups. But let's say if I average $2 a piece on these and there's 12 of them, 24 bucks. I would guess that I can get that out of them. Alright, so that was my first Bulq unboxing. If the profit is enough to make me do another one, I'll for sure do another one and make sure that it's uploaded. This one I will say was, I think after shipping and everything, was about 87 bucks. The cool thing is, I don't know if this is a thing for everybody, but it might be, so you might want to check it out. I got $50 off on shipping supplies through eBay when I bought it through eBay, just because eBay and Bulq started, I guess, teaming up. So that might be something worth checking into, because I basically got this box for the cost of shipping at that point, which is 30 bucks. Which makes it pretty damn good because I'm getting a bunch of free shipping supply stuff that I go through very quickly. The biggest thing that I was excited for was the cake dome because I think it was worth like 80 or 90 bucks. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if that's going to pan out the way that I wanted it to, but it does look like we'll at least get our money back for the things that we got in the box. So worst case scenario, we just break even. Plus I did get those free shipping supplies, so it made it worth it. I'll put the link in my bio. I'm not affiliated or anything, but I'll put the link in my bio for the Bulq store if you guys want to check it out or get any boxes yourself. It is a new day. I did all the math and everything for the Bulq box that we got. Just going to do a quick little recap of how everything turned out real quick after I did the math and looked up what everything will actually sell for and projecting what I think everything will sell for. So, the biggest surprise to me, the little lanterns that we got 12 of, the Santa Claus and Snowman ones, I listed on Facebook because I didn't see much sales potential on eBay, just because I was trying to sell them locally, that way people could get them before Christmas. When I was listing them on there though, Facebook gave me the opportunity to set up shipping on there, which I hadn't been able to do prior. Regardless, I set that up and everything. And within about 15 minutes, I had received about 12 messages inquiring about those items, and I was selling them for a 2-piece lot for 10 bucks plus $5 shipping. That being said, I've sold 2 up to this point, 2 lots of 2 for $10 a piece, all profit because Facebook doesn't take any cut of that whatsoever. That being said, if I manage to sell all those, that is $60 alone, which almost pays for the box itself, with shipping included. So that was definitely the biggest surprise to me. I didn't think those would really even have much resale value, but they're actually selling for a little bit above MSRP even, which is pretty fantastic. Swiftly moving on from that, I did also notice that there was 2 items in the box that I did not get. I believe I had already previously mentioned one. It was a golden vase that I was supposed to get. Not a big deal, I wasn't expecting it, but I did reach out to them. Hopefully they will get back to us. And then another one was another piece of Tupperware, I believe, a little bit more expensive piece of Tupperware than the other 2 that I did receive. Just noticed that one today, so I'm gonna have to email them again about that one. If you guys want to know how their customer service and everything works out for me and exactly what they do to resolve this issue where I was missing 2 things, I think the dome for the cake dome piece is on me, just because it is a uninspected return pallet, so that one's probably on me. But the other 2 things I'm hoping they do something for because it was on the manifest. But if you do want to know how that gets resolved, follow my Instagram. I'll be doing a little update on how that gets resolved on my Instagram, which is link in the description. So unfortunately, I tested a few of the products that we received, or I guess it's mainly only the one. It was the salt lamp. Opened it up and it did have a broken bulb in it, unfortunately. Luckily we had some size, or some of the light bulbs that were the same size here. Put one of those in there and it did not work. So we're gonna try to sell it for 10 bucks just on eBay and try to make a little bit off of it that way. Not sure if it'll sell or not, so that one could be a bust, but again, not the biggest selling item here. The pan, of course, was the whole reason that I bought it, including the cake dome, because those were supposed to be the biggest profit makers. The cake dome itself would have sold for around 80, and the pan itself sells for 70, hopefully around 40 to 50 bucks profit after fees and shipping. I couldn't see the exact fees on Amazon, so I don't know exactly what they're charging for that. But we should still profit quite a bit off that. And then the other thing that could go really well or could go really poorly is the plates that we received. The 8 of them were in really good condition, besides the 2 that were broken. So the 8 that were in good condition, I'm trying to sell on eBay for about 15 bucks a piece. If that doesn't work, or if it takes too long, I might lot them up and sell them in a group on Facebook for around 50 bucks for the entire group. But one of them did sell for eBay for about 25 bucks, I believe. And I'm just undercutting the price, or it might have been around 21, 22 bucks, somewhere around there. I'm undercutting the price a little bit, charging shipping instead, so mine's around 19, 18 bucks, just because I want to try to move them a little bit faster, get them out of my inventory as soon as I can. All of that being said, including what I paid for the box itself and the shipping here, we should profit around between 110 and 160-ish, we'll say, depending on exactly how stuff sells. I'm a little worried about those plates, and I'm not sure if the lamp itself is going to sell, just because it is a little broken or completely broken. But as far as everything else goes, might take a little while to sell a few of the things, but hopefully they'll sell for the prices I asked. If so, this does seem like a pretty legitimate way to source inventory. You just got to be a little bit careful with how you do it. Make sure that you look at the manifest and comp those items before you even consider purchasing it, because you don't want to just buy it for the sake of buying it and then realize that none of the stuff that you got is worth selling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and all that stuff, and if it shows enough interest, I might do more of these in the future, regardless of how this one turns out. Maybe try some different categories, bigger boxes, more expensive boxes, things like that. I just wanted to try one. I've been wanting to do these for a while. So yeah, do that. Please like and subscribe. Bye.